welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. My name is Ashley if you're new here, and today we have a spring home decor haul for 2024. Super excited to be sharing with you guys. First time actually going out and buying all the spring stuff. I did have some things from like years past that I considered spring. I guess it could be spring. This is my first time actually like having a spring, you know, haul. So I am gonna have a clean and decorate with me, so you guys stay tuned for that. Full disclaimer though, I do want to point out you won't see bunnies or eggs or anything like that in our spring home like clean and decorates or the haul, but you will see pretty florals and like neutral tones and stuff like that. Yeah, so I just wanted to throw that out there because I know that people decorate for spring and Easter at the same time. We just decorate for the season, so it's just gonna be spring, and we don't do the eggs and the bunnies anyway, so I didn't want to put that in the home if that's not what we do. So I do want to be realistic and transparent with you guys. So anyways, if you have questions about that, I can do a whole nother video on that or not. I feel like you guys should respect my views and I respect you guys' views, and we can just leave it like it is, okay? But I am gonna show you guys the things that I picked up. I went to a few stores like over the past few weeks, and so I just been getting things here and there. Also, like I said, I have some things that I had already had in my box in my garage, so I did pull a few of those things out that could be considered for the spring. So I'm gonna show you guys that. I have it all laid out on the table, so let me turn you guys around. So we're gonna start over here. I got this rug from Target, and this is just a kitchen rug. Literally, it just goes under where your sink is. Really pretty for the spring, just a nice touch for spring, not too much going on. I also got this from the Target Dollar Spot. Another YouTuber showed this on her haul, but I had already bought. When she showed it, she talked about that this could be used as an Easter basket, so I didn't think about that, but yeah, you could use that as an Easter basket. I'm gonna use it as a decorative basket. You guys saw these towels on the other video that I had, so these are gonna go in the kitchen as well. So I was looking for a basket to put my fruit and vegetables in. I saw this at Hobby Lobby in the tote area, so I will be using this for my fruit and vegetables. And that's really not for spring, but it's just practicality. But so yeah, I am collecting a few tablecloths. I'm trying to find something that I can use like year round, as well as like, you know, pops of color here and there. So I saw this one at Target and I thought it was really pretty. It's, you know, it has like a darker yellow, not too yellowy, and you can, you know, pair it with black or green. So I got these taper candles holders from Target as well, so I thought they would pair really well with this tablecloth. So I got that, and I also got these candles from Target as well. So I don't know how I'm gonna do with this, but we're just gonna work it out, y'all. You guys are seeing all the things in real time, like me learning, right? So I had these salt shakers before, and I picked up the same ones. That's crazy. I just don't know what happened to them, but I did have these for a long time in my other house. Moving on. So this is my first time grabbing this Mrs. Meyer spray. This is the Compassion flower scent, and it smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. Not too florally, not too sweet. It was just like a really nice smell and very subtle, but I got that from Target as well. And let's see what else I got from Target. Let's just do all the Target stuff, right? So got these dry erase labels from the Target Dollar Spot, and they were $1, so I thought, you know, that's a pretty good deal for 6. So I got 2 of them for like my laundry baskets, my linen closet, you know, just for future organization. You know, I can have these. I got these napkins for my table because they were on clearance. These were $2.50, originally $5, so they were half off. So I got 3 of them because I have a table of 6. These are really neutral, so you guys will see these on multiple videos when I do like fall, you know, different tablescapes. I also saw this table runner from Target, and it was $12.60. So basically I'll be using this for like Memorial Day, 4th of July, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, so just in Labor Day, anything that has like red, white, and blue, I will use this for that. Here's another tablecloth. This is the beige tablecloth I told you guys I was gonna go out and get. I really feel like this will go with a lot of stuff. I don't plan on buying multiple tablecloths after this, since I have a white one, a cream one, and then I also have this like yellowish one, and then also this runner. So I feel like this will carry me through for the rest of the year. So this is the last item that I got from Target, and these are some chargers that I can use for different times of the year as well. This is like the neutral chargers. The other one I got is more like, it It had a little bit of glitter in it. I don't know, but I feel like this is the one I wanted. And then when I was at HomeGoods the other day, I didn't see like a set of 6. I only saw like maybe 2 or 3. So I got 6 of these from Target. All right, so moving on to HomeGoods. I really don't have a lot of stuff from HomeGoods. You guys already saw the vases that I had before. I got this pillow. I was really on the fence with this pillow at first. I saw this in the other HomeGoods in Mobile when we went over like a couple weekends ago, and I put it back. And so now I went to this one in Pensacola, and I was like, man, that's the same pillow. It's just calling my name. So I ended up getting it, and I'm starting to really like checker, anything checkered print. And I think it is like another neutral. And so yeah, I picked this one up. And also when I was there, I also got these flowers. Oh my gosh, y'all, let's get into the flowers. I'm not doing it justice. So pretty. And these are real, they're dried florals from HomeGoods. I think this is just so feminine, so pretty. But yeah, so I will be using these throughout the house. I probably break it apart and use it in different places, or I may find somewhere to put it all in one. So we'll see how it ends up. You guys watch that video so you'll see how this end up. Because I don't know how it's gonna end up. So when I was at HomeGoods, I also got these fridge bin liner. I normally do like the gray ones. They always have like gray and white, but I was like, you know what, this will be fun for the kids, pop of color. And this is really not part of like the home decor portion of the video, but I did want to show you guys this since I got it from HomeGoods when I got the pillow. You already saw this table runner that I got from HomeGoods a couple weeks ago. It's gonna go really well with that beige tablecloth, so I just wanted to remind you guys that I do have this, and it's gonna go with that. This is a tray that I got from Target years ago. You guys see it's kind of ruined. I'm gonna have to like restain it or something, because I used to have my laundry like a little bin with Tide Pods in. I guess it leaked through, I don't know, but I hadn't used it in a while, and so I brought it out. This came from Target, from the Magnolia line a few years ago. I may put it on my kitchen counter, I don't know, we'll see, but that is something that I already had before. I do have a few faux floral greenery pieces. Now I do have more than this. I just wanted to show you guys the pieces I may use. So this came out in this little bin like this little basket, I mean, and they are really dusty. I do need to wipe them down, but I do plan on using these. I got these from different places, IKEA, when we were in Jacksonville, so like a few different places. So yeah, my full florals, so I do have those. I do plan on hanging up some plants just for like everyday decor, as well as the spring. And so I have these. I got these from Amazon a while back, and these are basically just macrame plant hangers. I have a couple of these just like this, so I'm just showing you guys one, but I do have a few of those. I've had this thing for a while. It was in my first house and I got it from Joann's. I was super excited when I got this because it was on clearance that time, and I believe that I got 2 of these for $8, and I was super excited about that. That's when I really was getting into like home decor and finding deals and stuff like that. I got this last year. This is my favorite quote. If you guys don't know, I have this actual tattooed on my body. My first and only tattoo, and it says no rain, no flowers. My favorite quote. It's even in the description. If you guys look in the description, it's my favorite quote. So when I found this a few years ago, I was like, okay, I got to have this. I don't even know where I got it from, but yeah, so I have that. It's gonna go somewhere. It used to be in my bedroom, but I don't know, we may incorporate it in the bathroom or something. I don't know, we'll see. So I got these from Publix, basically just some baby's breath. It was very hard for me to find florals that will go with my decor. You guys see it's a lot of muted tones, a lot of tans, a lot of like dark greens. And because of Valentine's Day and I had like a lot of bright florals, I wanted to be very neutral this time with the spring florals, and I wanted to work with my dried florals as well as my baby's breath. So these are just an easy buy. If you don't, you know what kind of flowers to buy, you can always just use these. I do plan on putting these in a vase, so that's that. And you guys already saw the prints. These came from Temu. I have a toddler right here, so I don't mind him, but I don't know if these are really dark or too dark for the space. You guys can't even see that because this boy. I don't know if they are too like dark or they're more like for fall, but we're gonna incorporate them this year because look, I'm not buying anything else. This is it. And yeah, so we're gonna use these in the living room area somewhere. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed our mini haul. It's not a lot of stuff. I do plan on using this in the living room, in the kitchen, and we are waiting on our TV stand, so that is something that's gonna be coming. So I'm gonna be doing the living room spring clean and decorate separate from the kitchen because I want to show you guys that when it comes in. So that means we'll do the kitchen first and then work our way around. Super excited to be sharing with you guys. Like I said before, it's not gonna be like your traditional bunnies and eggs, but it's fun. Lots of floral.